Looking after a dog. Dogs are good pets. Short dog, big dog. Spotty dog, spotty dog. Push dog,
Posh.
posh dog.
What
You-
about this one up here?
What? Sort of dog do you like best? There are all sorts of dogs. You can pick one that is right for you. I think I'm going to pick this one.
Mm.
A dog needs a lot of care. You have to feed it morning and night. You have to brush its coat. You have to train a dog. Sit. Then it will do that you tell it to. You must train it to sit when you cross the road. Dogs like to go for a run in the park or the woods. This helps it to keep you fit as with us the dogs. There can be problems with dogs. Some dogs like to dig up the ground.
Garden.
All dogs get mad on the carpet. Bad dog. Mommy,
I'm going.
Now and then dogs get sick or hurt in a fight. Then you have to
Visit.
visit the vet.
Fix.
This dog has hurt its foot. Dogs are fantastic pets. Oh, Gucci Goo, Gucci Goo, Gucci Goo. Look at Gucci Goo.
Continue.
Just look at all the things they can do. Do you think a dog is a good pet?
Wow, you're done. How was it? You read well? Yeah? Okay, get your pen. I'll sign your book.